How do AI models talk about your brand when you're not looking? GPT, Claude, Gemini. There are hundreds of them now. Testing each one manually, that's hours of copy-pasting. Let me show you a faster way, right inside Claude. LLM Brand Monitor is a platform that tracks how AI models mention your brand, and with MCP, Model Context Protocol, you can connect it directly to Claude. That means you manage monitoring projects, run scans across 350 plus models, and analyze results all through natural language right in this chat. No dashboards to learn, no API calls to write, just ask. Here's how to connect it for HTTP. No API key is needed. You'll authorize the connection in the browser the first time you use it. In the Claude desktop, click the Customize. Connectors, then the plus icon and click Add Custom Connector. In the connector dialog, provide the name and URL specified in the video description. Leave advanced settings collapsed. Claude discovers OAuth automatically via dynamic client registration. Now let's use it. I'll type, "What brand monitoring projects do I have?" Claude instantly pulls up my project list. Now, run a scan on my Acne Studio project. Claude confirms it'll spend credits, and the scan starts, sending my prompts across hundreds of AI models at once. Now show me the results. Which models mentioned my brand? And here's my visibility report. Models that mention us, models that don't, and an overall visibility percentage. Here's the one that surprised our users the most. I ask, who are my competitors according to AI models? And Claude calls the competitor analysis tool. Look at this. It shows every brand that LLMs recommend alongside or instead of yours, ranked by mention count and visibility percentage. You might find competitors you didn't even know about. This is competitive intelligence that simply didn't exist 2 years ago. But the real power is in the details. I ask, what exactly did Perplexity Sonar say about my project Shell? Claude pulls the full transcript, the complete response that model gave when asked about my brand. I can see the exact wording, the tone, whether it recommended us, and what context it put around the mention. This is the kind of insight you act on for content, for messaging, and for positioning. That's LBM connected to Claude through MCP. Set up in 1 minute, and now you can audit your brand visibility, track competitors, and read full AI transcripts, all in natural language. Get your account, connect it, and see how AI really talks about your brand. Links in the description.